Hi cocktail enthusiasts! Hi my dear, I'm Lana. Welcome to ShakeThat channel. Today we will make 5 simple peach liqueur cocktails. These drinks are perfect for adding a sweet and fruity twist to your happy hour. From tropical delight to creamy dessert shot, you have got a little something for everyone. So, let's get shaken. First up, we have the Missionary's Downfall, a tropical, sweet and strong rum-based cocktail that's perfect for transporting you straight to a beach paradise. Our ingredients: white rum, of course peach liqueur, simple syrup, fresh lime juice, pineapple, it's already peeled and chopped, and several pieces for decoration, and mint and ice. Let's do it! Fill a rocks glass to the top with crushed ice. In our shaker, place half up our pineapple and muddle it. Pour in half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of peach liqueur, and 2 ounces of white rum. Add 5 mint leaves. Fill shaker with ice cubes. And you know what we should do. Finally strain our mixture in rocks glass. Top up with crushed ice and decorate with pineapple, and several sprigs of mint. This cocktail is a refreshing blend of tropical flavors with the sweetness of pineapple and peach, beautifully balancing the strength of the rum. It's like a vacation in your glass. Next, we have the peach cappuccino shot, a creamy, coffee-infused dessert shot that's as delicious as it sounds. We're gonna use whipped cream, coffee liqueur, and peach liqueur. Pour half an ounce of coffee liqueur into a shot glass. Use a bar spoon to layer on half an ounce of peach liqueur. And half an ounce of heavy cream. This shot is a delightful mix of creamy coffee goodness with a hint of sweet peach. It's like a mini dessert in your shot. Moving on, we have the Woo Woo, a strong sweet shot cocktail based on vodka. Our ingredients: vodka, peach liqueur, and cranberry juice. In the shaker, pour half an ounce of cranberry juice, half an ounce of peach liqueur, and half an ounce of vodka. Fill the shaker with ice cubes and strain our cocktail into a shot glass. The Woo Woo is a vibrant mix of sweet and tart with a cranberry juice and peach liqueur, perfectly complemented by vodka. Now, let's whip up the Peach Cranberry Delight, a sweet, low-alcohol cocktail based on peach liqueur. Our ingredients: peach liqueur, lime juice, cranberry juice, and several slices of lime for garnish. Fill a rocks glass to the top with ice. Pour half an ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of peach liqueur, and top up with cranberry juice. Stir gently and decorate with lime wheels. This cocktail is a refreshing blend of peach and cranberry with a hint of lime, adding a zesty twist. It's light and perfect for a relaxing evening. Lastly, we have the Peach Citrus Cooler, a zesty and sweet low-alcohol liqueur-based cocktail. What we should use? It's really simple: peach liqueur, orange juice, and orange zest. Fill a highball glass to the top with crushed ice. Pour in 2 ounces of peach liqueur, and top up with orange juice. Stir gently, add more crushed ice, and garnish with orange zest. It was extremely simple. The Peach Citrus Cooler is a delightful blend of citrus and peach flavors, making it a sweet and tangy treat that's perfect for any time of the day. Thanks for joining me today to make these 5 fantastic peach liqueur cocktails. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest cocktails. Cheers to great drinks and even better times! See you in the last video!